Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on energy saving to improve battery life on Lenovo Yoga Book 9. To do it, you should go to the settings. In the settings, go to System, then Power and Battery. Now, you'll find two things. First of all, Power Saver. You can set it so it automatically turns on itself at a certain percentage of the battery, or you can turn it on now, or turn it off as well. It limits some processes in the background, or limits the colors also. I mean, it changes the transparency of some windows. I don't know if you can see it, but these settings are a little bit transparent. Like the whole window is a little bit transparent, and it follows the wallpaper. My screen has went off because it's updating right now, by the way. Yeah, if I enable the battery saver, now the settings have like a static gray background, and like some background activities, some notifications are limited as well, so that's what it does. And also another thing is the power mode. So if you don't want to enable battery saver but want to increase your battery life still, then you can set power mode to best power efficiency. Your laptop will have less performance but will have better battery life, and you can also keep it on balance or best performance if you want to have less battery life but better performance. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.